Riding your bike at night or in low visibility weather can be risky unless you are equipped with the best auxiliary lights for bike. Whether you are cruising the highway, exploring muddy trails, or commuting through the rain, a powerful set of auxiliary lights can be your best companion for both safety and style. In this roundup, we highlight 5 top-rated picks that combine power, durability, and smart design. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Future Eyes LED Motorcycle Fog Lights. Rounding out the list is the Future Eyes LED Motorcycle Fog Lights, a feature-rich option built for both city riding and wild off-road adventures. With 60 watts of power and up to 6,000 lumens in high beam mode, it offers versatile lighting functionality including high and low beams, daytime running light, strobe, and passing light. The beam is enhanced through high transmittance optical lenses that ensure a clean and precise light pattern, improving your visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. It is designed with a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket for total positioning control, whether on motorcycles, ATVs, or UTVs. These lights shine in durability too. A robust aluminum housing paired with copper core LEDs and an IP67 rating makes them resistant to water, dust, and heat. They also come with a smart wiring harness featuring battery protection, reducing stress on your system. Number 4. BW Carid Motorcycle Auxiliary Lights Kit. The BW Carid Motorcycle Auxiliary Lights Kit 40W proves that you do not have to spend a fortune to get dependable lighting. With a solid 40-watt output and 8,000 lumens of brightness, it ensures ample illumination for city streets or rugged trails. It is designed for riders who want reliability, safety, and ease of installation. Unlike many budget options that come with fragile plastic brackets, this kit includes high-grade metal aluminum clamp brackets. These brackets are anti-slip, highly adjustable, and fit handlebars ranging from 0.75 inch to 1 inch. This ensures that the lights remain securely mounted no matter the terrain. Constructed with die-cast aluminum and sealed with waterproof glue and silicone plugs, these lights handle rain, snow, and mud like a pro. Number 3. Keuig 4.5-inch Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Fog Light. The Keuig 4.5-inch Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Fog Light brings high-end performance to everyday riders looking for both power and aesthetic appeal. It features an impressive 90-watt rating and produces up to 9,000 lumens, making it one of the brightest options in this lineup. Designed with high borosilicate optical lenses and top-tier chips, it creates a focused, far-reaching beam ideal for dark roads and foggy trails. What makes this model especially flexible are its 5 lighting modes: high beam, low beam, a combined mode, daytime running light, and even a breathing light that transitions brightness smoothly. The breathing light not only adds a cool look but increases safety during nighttime rides by attracting more attention from other vehicles. The light is built using CNC aluminum alloy for exceptional durability and heat dissipation. Number 2. D7 LED Motorcycle Auxiliary Lights Kit. Coming in strong is the D7 LED Motorcycle Auxiliary Lights Kit by BW Carid. These lights are engineered for adaptability and superior visibility under any condition. What makes them stand out is their 6-in-1 lighting system, including high and low beams in amber and white, and various strobe modes like alternating and warning strobes. Whether you are navigating foggy streets or riding in open wilderness, you get total control over visibility. The amber light feature is particularly effective in poor weather, as it offers stronger penetration through fog, rain, or dust compared to white beams. Number 1. Keuig Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Kit. Leading the pack is the Keuig Motorcycle Auxiliary LED Light Kit, an outstanding combination of power, functionality, and rugged design. This light kit is built for those who demand clear visibility regardless of the conditions. With a robust 60-watt power output and premium chip technology, it produces up to 6,000 lumens, which cuts through darkness, fog, and rain effortlessly. The borosilicate optical glass enhances focus, providing a well-directed beam even in harsh weather. Its highlight feature is the dual-mode lighting system, white and amber, with additional strobe options including left-right alternating and synchronized flashing. This not only improves your visibility but also ensures that you are easily noticed by other vehicles. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.